Afternoon chili is nice. It would be better if I have a snack. Stash from last week is still here. Gross yet drool-inducing. Oh, come on! 5-minute rule. Huh? Ew, disgusting.
For you, babe.
Thanks, hon. Ow. Whoa! Oh no! Clumsy me. Oh, it's safe. Huh? Afternoon chili is nice, especially with the best cookie. What's even better is the yellow, gooey dip. It's out of this world. Might as well decorate it. Well, if Pikachu was a cookie, nothing stops me from eating cookies. So good. Huh? Hello? I'm pregnant. Wait.
I'm big. I'm strong. Whoa! What happened? Aw, what's wrong, honey?
We're gonna have merbabies.
Are you sure?
I'm hungry.
Okay, I'll get you some food. Come here, Nemo. And you too, Mr. Lobster. Let's make something yummy for my honey. Perfecto! Woo! Fresh sushi from the ocean. Yummy! Honey, food is ready. Smells so good. Your favorite.
Oh no! I don't want sushi!
Whoa! But honey, it's a favorite.
Huh? That's what I want! Delicious! Come here, wriggling yummy worms. I've craved for you. Huh?
Ew, that's a no-no.
You're right. Add whipped cream. Whimsy, whippy, creamy galore. More. Perfection.
I'm out of here. Oh, that jellyfish. Oh, talk to you later, babe. Hello.
Hi, Doc. I want to check my baby.
Oh, sure. I don't hear anything.
Huh? Really?
Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. I'm gonna use the magic ball. Ooh. Connecting to crystal vision. Oh my!
I have an ogre baby?
Ooh, sorry, my bad. It was my previous patient. Let me refresh the crystal vision. There she is, cute little merbaby.
She's so cute!
Your baby looks just fine. Nothing to worry.
Thank you, doctor. Oh, my confidence again.
Clumsy mommy.
Sorry. Whoa!
Holy Trident! What is happening today? Ew!
Oops! I'm leaving now.
Upper chest. Nice. What's wrong, honey?
Oh my god! Honey, today's our baby shower. I'm not prepared. I need to change my outfit. Quick!
Whatever you say, hon.
What to wear? I have nothing here. All trash.
What's going on? Why so many clothes?
This looks nice. Oh, come on. Work with me, will you? Doesn't fit.
Honey!
I couldn't be that big. I'm too big for my clothes.
It's alright, honey.
Huh?
Get off me, clothes. Whoa, nice color.
Give me that.
No proper look for me, I guess.
One final touch. And I'm ready. Wow! I look cool. Now I feel hot. So hot like in a sauna. That's not good. Ew, this is a disaster. My outfit is ruined now. It's more comfortable like this.
It's back. Ugh. Nah, not bad. Okay, guys. Ready, hon?
Yes.
Here we go. Whoa. Wait a second. Babies? Huh? Why so many balloons?
We're expecting sextuplet merbabies. exciting, right, hon?
What? Oh, my trident. Ugh, was it a dream?
So cool! Huh? There's more of them? Yeah! 12 babies!
12! I'm out of here!
No, you're not! I feel sick!
Oh, my poor honey. I'll get you some water. Here's the water. Drink it.
No!
I know. Be right back.
Better.
How about a burger?
Take it away!
Okay. Here's your favorite, hon. Some sticky, yummy worms. Here you go.
Worms? My favorite! Oh no! Gag's coming out!
But, Kraken's tentacles. Ugh.
Okay, I'm done.
Very good, hon.
Ew! Clean it up!
Yes, honey.
Good night.
Good night.
This way. Work with me, babies. Maybe this way. Huh? Noisy, stop! I can't sleep. Just let me sleep. Come on.
What's wrong?
I can't sleep. Too uncomfortable.
Let me think. Aha! Genius!
I hate this.
Honey! Use these. They're comfy. That should get you comfortable.
Not comfortable. I can't breathe.
Okay, I got an idea. Give me a second. It must be somewhere here. Aha! There it is. Honey, suffer no more.
What's he doing?
All done. The giant donut balloon is a life changer. Try it.
How? What does it do?
Put your belly in a donut hole. Come on.
Oh, got it. Let me give this a try, my babies. Huh? Oh, so comfy.
Thank God. All right, time to get my sleep. Babe, can you... No space. Well, I guess this is it. Oh, man.
Good morning, honey. Rise and shine.
Morning, honey.
What a beautiful Oh no! Babies, please behave! Oh, my trident! My water broke! Honey! Babies are coming!
Oh my! Honey, hurry! Babies! Okay.
Huh? Where am I? My belly? Oh, was it a dream? It was! Huh? Honey! Oh no! What happened to you?
Good morning, honey baby!
Something's wrong! I'm an ugly mermaid!
Oh, honey, I like you just the way you are.
What? You like me? I don't like this plot twist! Help! Wait a second. That looks familiar. Seashell. Looks normal. Let's shake it. Did you hear that? Oh!
Honey? Hello? Honey?